is helping to foster a culture of solidarity, support and compassion, values that are ever needed in any society.
I feel a sense of pride in seeing a Maltese guy starting from a startup and growing this venture into a huge company and huge operation like SiGMA.
I've been joining for the last 10 years without missing anything, and yeah, it's a milestone, and I can definitely see, how it has been improved, how it has grown.
We want to support licensees who are willing to go beyond regulatory compliance, setting benchmarks for responsible operations that benefit both society and the environment.
During COVID, we saw online as a business continuity plan for the land-based properties. We don't call it online, we call it remote gaming because it's an extension of the casino floor.
Online poker, I think it needs to change, and I think it needs to happen fast. We don't have a next generation of online poker players in the bank to rely on.
And 250 software providers means usually 250 APIs. Dedicated team, your own API, and these software providers must integrate them. One last word, when they don't want with us, they don't go live.
Everyone's just having a good time. Everybody's talking, having a good time networking.